This is our brewery named Kizakura. In the beginning, I recommend the rice polishing. Quality grade of sake defined by rice polishing rate. Because on the surface of rice, protein and fat gather around. That's why we try to remove those kind of things as good as possible. Well, I'm going to demonstrate the method of brewing sake by micro amount. Let me explain about the brand of sake. Sake is made from water and rice. This brown rice we need to polish, remove protein and fat. This polishing rate divides into the sake grade into 5 categories at most: Daiginjō, Ginjō, Junmai, Honjōjō, and Standard. This is brown rice, and this is polished rice. As good as possible, we try to polish the rice to keep the shape of rice like a rugby ball. Because around the core of rice, fat and protein gather around. They are good for our human health, but not good for the flavor and taste of sake. So we need to remove all of them. After polished, rice bran still remaining on the surface of rice, so we remove them by the power of water, like this. And then throw away. This is washed rice. After that, soak the rice and steam the rice to make starch easy for saccharification. This is steamed rice. After steamed rice, we need to put cold mold on rice and convert the starch in the rice into sugars. This is cold mold. When cold grows and goes inside the rice, cold is living things, so we have a fever. That's why I need to spread the rice and mix koji in order to keep cool down and control humidity. Normally, it takes 40 to 48 hours. This is koji rice. Propagation of koji is one of the most distinctive parts. Sake fermentation is very unique, what we call parallel fermentation. It means 2 different processes, making sugar and making alcohol, go at the same time. Let me show you. At first, put water and yeast and koji rice. After that, put steamed rice and shake it. And leave 1 day to promote fermentation. After that, 2 times of cold rice, water and steamed rice on it. This is 3rd day one. On 4th day, put another 2 times of cold rice and water and steamed rice. This is what we call main mash. After 4 days, we shake this one around 26 days. Finally, this is the final main mash. This main mash is too dense to drink, so we squeeze the mash and get dressed sake and sake leaves. I'll show you. This is Mr. Takakura. He is a brewing master of Kizakura. So, Mr. Takakura, what is your principle of brewing sake? 坂倉さん、あなたの酒造りに対するこだわりは何でしょうか？
私の酒造りに対してのこだわりは、お酒造りは微生物を使って作っています。ですからこの微生物たちをうまくコントロールしていくために、絶対妥協は許さないという気持ちで、各工程を行っています。そして微生物を使うわけですから二度と同じ酒はできません。そしてそれ以上のものを作ろうと、追求する、その追求することによって、より良いものができてきますので、絶対妥協を許さない、それが私の酒造りの基本です。
ありがとうございます。Well, that's a wrap for this program. I hope you have a good time. Also, enjoy your sake life. Bye bye.